The overall goal of this procedure is to evaluate the effect of nozzle type, spray pressure, and aircraft flight speed on spray droplets resulting from the use of ground and aerial application nozzles.
So this method can help answer a number of key questions in the application technology field related to the use and performance of spray nozzles used on typical delivery systems.
The main advantage of this technique is that it gives a relatively quick and very precise measurement of a large number of nozzles and operational techniques.
Perform ground nozzle testing at the downwind opening of a large wind tunnel section. At the opening, mount a nozzle body, nozzle, and pressure gauge on a transverse system. This protocol uses a 110-degree flat fan nozzle with its long axis oriented vertically. Have an electronic pressure gauge just upstream of the outward-facing nozzle outlet. Measurements take place just outside of the wind tunnel. Properly align and configure the laser diffraction system in front of the wind tunnel and nozzle. Before proceeding, measure the distance from the nozzle outlet and the system's measurement zone. The distance should be 30.5 centimeters. Next, move to the stainless steel pressure tank used for the test mixture. Use a prepared active blank mixture to fill the tank with enough fluid for the planned tests. After filling the tank, seal it and ensure it is properly connected to both the air pressure hose and the hose to the nozzle. The next step is to turn on the wind tunnel and set the airspeed to 6.7 meters per second.